What's up, y'all? It's Tamara. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are well. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys some, just like the title said, cleaning motivation, cooking motivation, and laundry motivation. So I hope you guys are ready. If you are new here, welcome. Again, my name is Tamara. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope it gives you the motivation that you need, enough to click that subscribe button. If you are not new, thank you so much for coming back for another video. Thank you for rocking with me. So let's get into this motivation. So on this day, I'm starting in the family room. I didn't have a whole lot to do this time, thank goodness. So only thing I'm gonna do is fluff up the pillows and dust. I hadn't dusted in here in, I don't believe, this whole week of filming this video. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust and clean the glass as well. And I've been cleaning the glass and the tables, but I haven't been polishing the wood on the tables. So I'm gonna do both of those things, and then I'm gonna vacuum, and then we'll be done in here. If you are new here, again, my name is Tamara. Welcome to my channel. Take a look around, see if this channel is for you. I hope that it is. I am a working mom of 2. I am married, and I enjoy creating cleaning motivation, DIY organization, homemaking videos, and also some lifestyle videos of how I take care of myself. Those will be in future videos. But I hope that you guys enjoy this video and consider sticking around. So now that the family room is clean, I'm gonna go ahead and start on dinner. So for dinner tonight, I am making what I call brown sugar chicken, as well as green beans with potatoes and Uncle Ben's rice with crescent rolls. So to season my chicken, I'm gonna use smoked paprika, onion powder, Italian seasoning, garlic powder, Lowry seasoning salt, Dale's, and brown sugar.
What is wrong with me? Do I care too carefully? What is wrong with me? Does somebody know? What is wrong with me? Do my thoughts go way too deep? What is wrong with me?
the chicken is seasoned, lastly, I'm gonna add some olive oil, some salt and pepper. I'm gonna cover it with aluminum foil and put it in the oven on 350 for about 20 minutes. Just remember that cooking time depends on the size of your chicken breast. Because I flattened these with the mallet, of course, it took down my cooking time. So if you don't, of course, you need to increase your cooking time. So I'll just check it after the 20 minutes to see if it's ready. If not, then I'll let it go a little longer. So now I'm gonna start on laundry. So I was being a little bit lazy this week. Partially. I did wash, but I did not fold and put away. So I have about 3 or 4 loads that I'm gonna go ahead and fold while the chicken is cooking. So it's been about 10 to 15 minutes, and I know the chicken doesn't have a lot longer to go, so I'm going ahead and start on the sides. This portion of the video is in collaboration with Kitchen Mama. Kitchen Mama is one of the best electric can openers right now, y'all, and just speaking from experience, I love it. I can't tell you how many can openers or manual can openers that we've purchased this year alone, probably 3, up in the price every time we buy another one, thinking that it's just the quality. But this one, you guys, it just uses batteries. There's no more cuts from sharp edges. It rounds the edges. You don't have to worry about trying to clamp it on that perfectly. It just sits right on the can. You press the button and it goes on its own. And when it's done, or when it has reached a beginning point, you just press the button again to go backwards just to make sure that edge is clean, and you lift it off. I highly recommend this can opener, you guys, especially if you have arthritis, carpal tunnel, or anything like that with your hands, or you just get sick and tired of using the manual can openers like I do. So if you're interested, I will have a coupon code listed below in my description box for 10% off this can opener by Kitchen Mama. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the other can of green beans open. I'm gonna also rinse these off. Whenever I'm using cans for quick night dinners, I like to rinse off the vegetables just to get that can taste off of them. And then that way I can add my own seasonings to it. add just a little bit of olive oil, some vinegar, and salt and pepper to these green beans. So you can have an easy, quick dinner idea with canned goods without microwavable rice. My family can't get enough of crescent rolls, so I'm just gonna roll up some crescent rolls for our bread tonight. So I took the chicken out of the oven and I had it resting for a little while. So now I'm just gonna slice it up and put it back into the dish so I can get it coated with the brown sugar sauce that I marinated it with.
You special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top of you.
And here is the finished product of our quick and easy dinner for tonight. And when I tell y'all it was so good, everybody loved it. So now it's after dinner. I'm just gonna go ahead and get the kitchen cleaned up. Right here, I'm just showing you guys a Simply Peach juice that I tried. It was really good. We're always purchasing the strawberry lemonade. That's one of my husband's favorite, but I did try the peach and I thought that it was good too.
In your dream making wet dreams come true. She know she bad, but I done bad. She a gunshot that blew my mind.
So right here, I'm just showing you guys like the Cascade with the dishwasher cleaner in it. My husband picked this up. I had never seen it before. I didn't know if you guys had tried it or not, or if you knew that it even existed, because I didn't. But just letting you know, there is a Cascade with the dishwasher cleaner already in it.
Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright. Like how you think, alright. Always on top, alright. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. Me and you, we can be something we want to. When I see the dream we're chasing true, we don't care for me, yeah. Luckily we're free to be first class, wedding casually, yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet you. Love best friend and be family. Anything that you do now, everything that you do, everything that you do now. Oh, no, 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 no.
He got these yellow brown eyes and a smile on his face when he tells me he wants me. Confirm the feelings I can hide when I dance and I sway with his arms tight around me. And sure I messed it up a little later on, but just for now I'll keep dancing. He and his yellow brown eyes and the smile at this boy got the air feeling vibrant. Yeah. must be, but I sure like to feel it when he's near me. Now ain't it typical, I'm so predictable, but just for now I'll keep dancing. Here with these yellow brown eyes and the smile at this point really gets me excited. Excited. Excited.
So since I had to stop folding the clothes to go finish cooking dinner, I am now back so that I can finish folding up and putting away these loads of clothes. So thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. I hope that you got some great cleaning, cooking, and laundry motivation today, you guys. Thank you to Kitchen Mama as well for sending me the electric can opener. If you are new here and you made it to the end of this video, I really appreciate it, and I hope that means that you will consider hitting that subscribe button and joining my YouTube family. If you enjoyed this video, I would really love for you guys to give me a thumbs up. That lets me know that I'm on the right track and you're enjoying my content. Also, leave me a comment in the comment section just to say hello or introduce yourself if you are new. Also, share this video out and my channel out to others who you think would enjoy. Thank you so much, you guys. Blessings to you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.